Hi, so today now I'll show you how to do the blocking of any crochet project. I had these with me, these granny squares, and I'll do how you can do this blocking. For that purpose, you only need a hardboard surface, your granny project, these straight pins, and a spray bottle with the water. The water should not be warm water. You can take any normal water, a little bit of cold water, as it is good for this yarn. For blocking, I'm going to put this granny square on the hard surface and then I'm going to pin it like this. Okay, let me just see. Stretch it a little bit, just don't stretch it more. A little bit stretching. And I'm left with this one, like this. Okay, for in between, I'm also going to attach it like this. Okay, I think this one is better. I will do it in a line. Okay, I will add one here. And one here. I will try to keep my, just make sure you just keep your project in a straight line. It does not go here and there. Okay, I'm going to put one here also, because for me, I don't find it. You can put as many as you want. Okay, so once you are done, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put other pieces over it. That's the benefit of it, like this. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to use this spray bottle and spray on this. Just a little bit spray. When you touch it, it feels like a wet one, and that's it. And you can add more top of them.